In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Access AutoNumber. If your IDs have jumped ahead or you've cleared out records and want numbering to start fresh, this walkthrough will show you a clean, reliable way to reseed the AutoNumber field by recreating it. Before we begin, a quick best practice reminder. Deleting and recreating fields is permanent, so consider making a backup of your database first and be mindful of any relationships or lookups that rely on the field you're changing. Start by opening Microsoft Access. Launch the app as you normally do and wait for the start screen to load. From there, navigate to your database. You can pick it from the recent list or browse to your .acdb file and open it. Once your database is up, locate the table whose auto number you want to reset in the navigation pane on the left. Open that table in Design View. The fastest way is to right-click the table name and choose Design View. This view lets you change the table's structure, including field names, data types, and key settings. Find the field that currently uses the AutoNumber data type, select its row, and delete it. Access will warn you that you're about to remove a field and its data. That's expected here. Deleting the AutoNumber field is what clears out the old sequence. If this field was used as a primary key or tied to relationships, be aware that removing it can affect related objects. Proceed only if you're certain about the impact. Save the table to commit that structural change. Use the save icon or press Ctrl+S. You may see additional prompts. Accept them to finalize the update. Now add a new field to replace the one you removed. Give it a clear name, set its data type to AutoNumber, and if you see the new values property, leave it at increment so it counts up by 1. If the original field served as your primary key, restore that designation here so your forms, queries, and relationships continue to work as expected. Next, move the field to the position you prefer by dragging its row selector up or down in Design View. That's it. By removing the old AutoNumber field and creating a new one, you've reset the sequence. For existing records, Access will assign fresh values automatically, and new records you add will continue incrementing from there. Save your changes when you're done, close Design View, and your table is ready to use with a clean, reset AutoNumber.